Hello friends, so we have created this TPC Management website. This is basically a portal to easily manage the training and placement cell activities for both students as well as companies. Let's have a look how it works. The first step here is to sign up. So when you sign up, you have to select whether you are a company or a student. Suppose you are a student. You have to fill in the following details. Here you have to provide your roll number, your full name, your current CPI, the department which you are in, CA, CE, ME, CB, whatever, the course of study, whether you are enrolled in BTech, MTech or MSc, your URL to resume, your institute webmail ID, then you have to type in the password which follows these basic guidelines, and you have to retype your password to confirm, and you have to simply sign in. You have to make sure that the password follows these rules, else it will prompt you to again type a new password. So I have already logged in as a student. Now let's see how the sign up for company works. For company, following details need to be provided. This is the company ID, which will be unique for each and every company. The name of the company, the category, whether it is a A1, A2 or B1, name of HR, or the HR email, sector, whether it is a finance sector, IT sector, and again you have to type the password and confirm the password. Once you have signed up, then all you need to do is just log in. So now we'll log in as a student and company both. First go with the student. Okay, so I'll provide the details. Fine. So this is the student home page, which lists all the applications which are created by the companies. I'll give you a detailed description later on. Let's see about the profile of student. The student is Anushree. Okay, so here is the basic student profile, which gives all the details, the name, the roll number, department, everything. You can check out the resume also. Fine. If a student wants to update his or her CPI, or say suppose or resume, then she can easily do it by simply changing it. Suppose, okay, I'll change my CPI. Okay, and everything is same. I'll update. Now it says it has been successfully updated. Let's check. Okay, so my CPI has been updated. Fine. This is a my applications tab. So if a student has applied to any of the applications, then the application will be reflected here. We'll get a clarity once we see the company side. Okay, so now let's log in as a company also in another tab. Okay, so this is the company login. I'll provide the company details. Okay, so this is the company's homepage after login. Let's have a look at its profile. Company can also update its profile. This is the company's profile. Okay, so here is the HR name and HR contact. Suppose the HR wants to change his contact, and okay, so this is his new contact, and fine, update. Says your profile has been successfully updated. Let's look. Okay, so our HR contact has been changed. Now let's create some position. First, let's look at the positions we already have. The company coordination has these all positions already there. Also, there is a feature to view the applications. Suppose let's create a position first and look. Okay. Now we create a position of a data scientist. Branch, let it be okay, CS only. Minimum CPI be it 7. Course is BTech. Say the stipend is 70,000 per month. It's an intern. Okay. The cost to company is say 15 lakh. And the date for the online test when company is going to arrive is 15th December. And description, okay, data science related stuff, whatever. This is just a trial, and now we'll create a position. So it says a position has been successfully created. Let's look at our positions. So earlier we just had 3 positions. Now we have this new position, data scientist. We also can check out if the company forgets the details of the position. So these were the details provided by the company: salary, CTC, everything. Okay. Now we want to view who all has applied. Now we have no applications. Fine. Since the no student has applied, it has been freshly created. So let's switch to the students tab and apply. We'll refresh it. Okay, so now we have this data scientist intern. Say the student wants to apply, but first he has to meet all these conditions. Okay, whatever the description is, everything is there. So the student has CPI above 7. Okay, he can apply. So he'll apply. Let's say successfully applied. So when student can see that he has applied for the intern, and the application status is visible here. The status is still pending. Now let's switch to the company tab, and now company can see that the student has applied or not. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, so now we are at the applications, and we can see the application of the student is here. Company can check out the details of the student, and if the company wants, company can also check the resume link, and you can see the resume, and depending on it and the online test. Suppose now company has finalized the student after the online test and procedures are over, and company decides to accept. So company accepts. There is a prompt, are you sure you want to accept? Company says okay, accepted. Now this will be reflected in the students tab. Let's just sign out and log in as student only. Okay, so student will check my applications. Here the status. Okay, so this is accepted. So student knows that he has been accepted as a data scientist in coordination. That's all this site basically does. Now the student can safely sign out. Also, if the company has recruited the number of interns he or she has decided to, then company can close the application. Let's close the application. Okay, so applications, this has been accepted, and we just want to close the application. So are you sure you want to close? Yes. So done. This is how simple it is. So basically what this site does is it eases the tasks, that student does not need to fill his or her information again and again, and also the company does not need to write mails. Company can check whoever has applied, student can check their status through this site, and everything is so much easier. That's all. Hope you like our project. Thank you.